Media's portrayal of pencil-thin models and actresses don't help. In fact, this unhealthy idealization of thinness harbors unhealthy eating habits and crash diets. Healthy weight loss for ladies. As a woman, you ought to understand is that so as to realize a very fit body, you would like to start out and follow through a program that promotes healthy weight loss for ladies. Such programs don't promise instant weight loss, what you get instead is gradual but sustainable improvements in your body. Avoid eating disorders and other possible problems by sticking to healthy weight loss for ladies. Understanding weight loss. Scientifically, weight loss is the process of losing weight through the reduction of body fat. Weight loss is usually advised to obese individuals and to those that are overweight. Obesity is often measured through one's body mass index (BMI) or the proportion of one's weight to her height. Intentional weight loss involves a conscious effort to reduce. Different weight loss methods include dietings, exercises, and weight loss products like diet pills and patches. Unintentional weight loss, on the opposite hand, is typically a result of sickness. It occurs if you're suffering, or have suffered, a severe body complication or illness. Unintentional weight loss usually results from diseases like cancer, diabetes, and other metabolic problems. Understanding the ideal body for ladies. The first step to healthy weight loss for ladies is setting a sensible and healthy goal. There are scientific and medical guidelines to assist you identify your ideal weight. Below is that the ideal weight range for ladies consistent with different heights. Height (ft) inches, ideal weight pounds. 5 feet 0 inches 97 to 127. 5 feet 1 inch 100 to 132. 5 feet 2 inches 103 to 136. 5 feet 3 inches 107 to 140. 5 feet 4 inches 110 to 145. 5 feet 5 inches 113 to 149. 5 feet 6 inches 117 to 154. 5 feet 7 inches 121 to 159. 5 feet 8 inches 124 to 164. 5 feet 9 inches 128 to 168. 5 feet 10 inches 132 to 173. 5 feet 11 inches 135 to 178. 6 feet 0 inches 139 to 183. What you should not do. 1. Crash dieting and fad diets. Studies have shown that crash diets or empty-calorie diets are ineffective and may only end in weight gain in later years. Fad diets also don't add the end of the day, often leading to serious complications if executed improperly. Hence, a healthy weight loss program for ladies is the perfect solution to weight problems. 2. Unreviewed diet products. Diet pills and diet patches are a number of the products being sold rampantly and openly within the market today. However, the US FDA has claimed that several of those drugs haven't undergone strict testing by the Gov. Hence, the future effects of those products are still unknown. Consumers are asked to require these products with careful consideration and not easily fall prey to ad claims and shady consumer testimonials. Remember that a number of these drugs require no prescription and may be bought by anyone, at any age. The right way, healthy weight loss for ladies. The only healthy weight loss program for ladies is this: proper diet and exercise. There are not any shortcuts to losing weight. Ingesting diet pills and using diet patches may go within the short term, but there are not any sufficient studies to know the future effects of those products. Also, scientists also are still unaware of the side effects of those products. When losing weight, remember to stay in mind that being too skinny doesn't always equate to being healthy. Falling below your ideal body mass index is often dangerous. Consult with knowledgeable. To start off a healthy weight loss program for ladies, first, consult an expert. Ask a nutritionist or dietitian. He or she will assist you to understand your body and your weight. He also can offer you sound advice on what weight loss methods you'll adapt to assist you to reduce the healthy way. Cut down on calories. The next step to a healthy weight loss for ladies is to chop down on the quantity of food you eat. Lowering calories and other junk foods will assist you to reduce your weight and live a more healthy lifestyle. A number of the foods you ought to get rid of include: 1. Replacing soft drinks and sodas with water. 2. Swapping milk for semi-skimmed or semi-skimmed for skimmed. 3. Eating less lunch than usual. 4. Decreasing the intake of sugar in tea and occasional. 5. Having smaller portions of the food you enjoy. 6. Avoiding second helpings at dinner. 7. Ablation unhealthy treats like confectionery, sugary biscuits, and crisps between meals. 8. Lowering on beer and alcohol.